these guys pumps, gear shifts, got a lot of money in them. A lot of money. And when something heads south on them, it's not good.
66.
Not good.
Did he bring a trailer?
No.
Truck's got some horses made back off like that. Getting smothered down though. 248 feet, 2 inches. 248 feet, 2 inches. I wish Christy Manania would go get Scotty's truck and pull it.